Companies like Omax rely on simulation in their design process. With SOLIDWORKS 2020, use Shift-C to collapse the tree and take control of the Simulation Feature Manager. The new Simulation Evaluator provides a single resource to review important details of your setup. You can quickly verify where results will be written and ensure you have enough resources. Simulation results from other locations can easily be reattached. Additionally, you can review assigned materials and even compare the simulation mesh volume with the part volume to ensure a quality result. This quick simulation sanity check gives you the important details you need to achieve the best results, quickly. Finally, with 2020, any study can be deleted without loading results, saving time removing unwanted data.